How to get blue tick on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's open our Instagram. Once you have entered here, simply click on your profile on the bottom right corner. Once you have entered here, simply click on this hamburger icon which is showing on the top right and go for this settings and privacy. Once you have entered here, you have to simply scroll down until you see your accounts. So this is a professional account, so the options are a little bit different. So you just have to search for the verify, and as you can see, request verification, or you can also find it in your account section. Now simply click on that and this will take you to their apply for Instagram verification. So the step number one is confirm authenticity. Start by entering your username, your full name, document type. Once you are done, you have to go for this step number 2, which is confirm notability. Show that the public figure, celebrity or brand your account represents in the public interest. So simply click on the category, select your category, either it's government and politics, music, fashion or entertainment. After that, you have to select your country or region, which is optional. You have to go for these links, which is again are optional. You can add link 1, 2 or maximum 3. So once you are done with all of that, you have to simply click on this submit, and Instagram will take up to 7 working days in order to get you verification badge. So after that, you have to just pay around $15 a month for Meta verification badge that you can use both for Facebook and Instagram. So that's how basically you can get a blue tick on Instagram.